Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to be introducing another one of our videos. Today's video, I'm walking you around a brand new 2021 model Ford Fiesta that we've upgraded with an integrated reversing camera into the factory screen, as well as a front and rear dash camera solution. This is actually all being done on behalf of the local Ford dealership, which is Ford Marshalls, Cambridge, literally just down the road from us. We're working on cars day in and day out like this, unregistered vehicles, equipping them ready for you guys to collect from dealerships in the area. So this system I'm going to be walking you through to start with the integrated reversing camera, but if you haven't seen us before, haven't seen our YouTube channel, make sure you help us grow our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button and hit that like button and share this video with friends and family. In terms of this system, the reversing camera is basically fully integrated into the factory screen. This car has, because it's brand new 2021 model, has the Sync 3 system. We know that by most of the time by having the vehicle having Apple CarPlay and Android Auto already installed, but also on the settings you can actually go through that, see under software, and you can see Sync 3 written on there as well. What we need to quote you guys up if you're looking for a price on this system is basically a picture of that screen. Tell us the vehicle details on any of our social media platforms or via email. We can get that priced up for you. In terms of this screen, basically we've maximized the full use of the screen. We've got a ProFit wedge camera which sits right at the back, really discreetly installed, and that's a physical cable run all the way to the front of the vehicle. Basically goes into a control box that basically allows the factory screen to switch over to the reversing camera image. Crystal clear image, it's a professional install, everything's done to the highest possible standard. That's exactly why manufacturers like Ford are trusting us with the installs on brand new vehicles. So that's basically the reversing camera, really clear, nice image that we've got live directly on that new screen. Plus, the customer was after protecting their asset. Obviously, it is an investment. Buying a car like this or leasing a car, whatever it might be, it's an investment, it's your new toy. What you want to be doing is protecting that not only on the road, but also when the vehicle's parked, say in supermarket car park, and that's exactly what this product does. Something called a Thinkware U1000 dash cam. It's a 4K image quality front dash cam, which is immense quality that you're going to be getting. Plus, we've got a really high resolution rear camera. Then we've got a little battery that's completely hidden away. The battery is essential, and what it is basically is a system that allows the vehicle to record while the vehicle's parked with zero draw on your vehicle's battery. Plus, it just means it's a safe way of recording while the vehicle's parked. Plus a really spectacular app that it's got. We've actually done a full video on the actual dashcam app itself, exactly how to use it, so you guys know exactly what you're buying, not only what it looks like installed in this particular car if you own this one, but also we've got a separate video on exactly how the app works, so you know exactly what you guys are buying before you come into us. So that's basically will be in the description below, and that is for the Thinkware Cloud app, which you can actually go out and download right now if you wanted to, and that's on the App Store or the Google Play Store. So in essence, we've got a front and rear dash cam all professionally installed, zero wires on display, the battery's hidden away, everything is done to the highest possible installation standards. So in today's video, I just wanted to show you guys a reversing camera, plus go through the dash cam that we've installed on this brand new car. So thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon, but please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Otherwise, we're out. See you later.